YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So we got another quick fix video for you on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. If you guys want to see how to take the debris valve off as well as the bag, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got videos on showing you guys how to remove all that. For demonstration purposes today, we've already done that. One big piece that tends to break often is these flex posts on each side of this main tube that the bag actually grabs. So as your bag goes on and you twist, these are what are going to hold that bag in place to make sure that the bag doesn't just blow right back up when the pump turns on. So over time, again, this is plastic, so over time, chemical composition, sun, all the above plays into the composition of this material. So sometimes they do break off. If you do need to get new ones of these, if they've already snapped off, you're not worried about trying to remove them as I am right now. You simply buy two new ones, they push right in, they snap in, and you're good to go. But in the case that, say you snapped one on the side and you do need to remove part of these pieces, I would suggest getting a pair of like some needle nose pliers. In this case, I kind of was just using my fingers and a flathead screwdriver to do my best to just kind of wiggle it back out of the hole. But as you guys can see here, they do have a little split so that they're meant to get pinched together to open as well, to be able to slide out, and then they expand once you actually push them in. So once you get them removed, you get the pieces that are broken. As long as everything's good here with your main tube, you're just going to go ahead and buy two more of these, which just simply go in. They're actually flanged, so you can only push them in so far, so you're not worried about pushing them in all the way and losing them that way. You're just gonna go ahead and go until they snap. And then you got two new posts here that are ready for your bag to be able to make sure that that thing doesn't just pop off when the pump kicks on. Again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got all these items available on our website. And make sure you guys keep an eye out for all the other quick fix videos on the Pentair Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.